Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be discussing about Mosman Oil and Gas, the helium and oil stock on the AIM market. Current share price of 0.032 GBX. We're up 3.9% today, but why I'm making this video is that we have new news that has been released in the last hour by the CEO. So let's get straight into it and let's see what he said. So we can see here RNS, Mosman, obviously Australian based company. All the RNSs do tend to come a bit later than 7 a.m. So you really do got to pay attention. So this one came out at 10:43 a.m. Let's see what it says. Portfolio review, sale of EP 145 to focus on USA helium assets. Mosman provides an update on its asset portfolio as part of its strategic shift to helium development and commercialization. Mosman is continuously reviewing the ranking of each project where the team should focus. Subsequent to the acquisition of Coyote, Wash, and Sagebrush projects announced in December 2024, review determined the best allocation of capital management efforts is to dispose of EP145, for which the company has signed an agreement with ASX listed Echelon Resources. The net proceeds combined with planned expenditure on EP will no longer be incurred are estimated to be circa 3 million Australian dollars. Now I'm not too sure what 3 million Australian dollars are, so let me check. 3 million Australian dollars in pounds is about 1.5 million pounds. Okay, so yeah, we see here project review compared to EP1 for next 12 months, 2.5 Australian. Drilling cost increased. I like how they done like pros and negatives of the American assets and the Australian ones. Good to see that. And then we can see here Mosman has agreed a binding heads of terms with Echelon to sell 100% of EP 145 for 400,000 Australian dollars. Is that it? Wait, how much is that? 400,000 Australian dollars in pounds. 200k pound, 200k UK pounds, and retain a 5% helium and hydrogen royalty based on sales price, no deduction of costs. The 200k British pounds will be used to progress helium exploration in the USA projects. Oh, so they're saving. Oh, this is for the development. So it would have cost another like 2 mil for development. I see. And they're just selling it for what? 200k. Okay, that makes sense. And they've retained 5% helium royalty. That's nice. So in case in the future Echelon finds helium, Mosman would get easy money. Not a bad bit of sale, I must say. And then obviously the rest of the money will be used to progress helium in the USA. Book value was 1.5 billion Australian, so that's going to be removed now. We've got another table here of ranking of projects in Mosman's portfolios. 83% working interest in Sagebrush, high potential for helium and all exploration revenue from ongoing oil production, high potential for helium based on and offset walls. Okay, the vector, come on guys, you guys need to start drilling already, sort your rig out, so that's fine. So EP145 is going. Okay, so that's good, happy with that news. Let's see what the CEO has said. We have taken a commercial decision to focus our capital allocation and future operational activities on our US projects, while EP145 in the Amadeus Basin has helium potential. The USA has the considerable commercial advantage of proven helium production basin, lower drilling and operating costs, ready availability of services, production in infrastructure and access to markets. We are pleased to retain an ongoing interest in helium potential in EP145 royalty interest, which does not require any expenditure by Mosman. So yeah, literally a free 5% at the beginning, be getting on sales, which is nice. This transaction once completely restores Mosman to being a fully funded for all exploration in the next 12 months, and with funding available for discretionary exploration activities. Interesting. So what I'm understanding here is that there was going to be no more placings for the next 12 months, no more fundraising, and they have enough funds to even do additional exploration activities as well. So very good news coming out today. It's always good to know when a company with a share price of 0.032 and a current market cap of, let's see, 6.81 million is fully funded for the next 1 year to really focus on its American projects. So yeah, I think this is amazing news. Fully funded at 6 million market cap GBP. A lot of projects to look forward to this year, especially with the vector drilling that's meant to happen like as soon as possible once they sort out the rig. Then once hopefully they find helium, get some more cash flow coming in, and then Mosman can progress. There are other USA projects in Sagebrush and Coyote Wash as well. So yeah, no, very happy with this RNS. Good news, fully funded, selling an asset which is going to be expensive to maintain, and then focusing on the ones that Mosman can really deliver value to its shareholders. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section on this news. I find it very positive, and a lot of news flow to come, I think, in the next couple of weeks and months from Mosman. Probably once this is finalized as well and they receive the money, there'll probably be an RNS on this as well. And it's good to see they're focusing on the USA assets, which have already been proven from other companies and the local area to actually have helium. And obviously this one as well, it's got oil production coming in as well, so that's not bad. So yeah, let's see what happens now. I think the most important is, and it's going to be a test for the CEO, is if he sticks by his word and where he stated for the next 12 months. So if there's no placings for the next 12 months, the CEO should have all the shareholders' backings, because, you have to say it and you have to back it up as well. So I'm hoping he's not done a madness and he doesn't do a placing in the next 3 months to raise capital, when clearly right now he stated there is absolutely no need for it to happen, because Mosman Oil and Gas are fully funded for the next 12 months. So immediate news flow, probably commencing of the vector drilling. That should have happened in Q4, so it's longer overdue. So anytime now they should be sorting themselves out. And then obviously with Sagebrush and Coyote as well, probably going to start some developments there as well. Maybe on Cinnabar as well, the legacy oil production. Maybe they can do some optimization to increase oil production as well. So yeah, a lot to look forward to. And let's see what 2025 brings. As mentioned, let me know in the comment section. Mosman Oil and Gas, I made a video about it at the beginning of the year. I think it's one of the top picks for helium if you guys are really interested. And as always, in the AIM share market, do note high risk, high reward stuff happen here. So yeah, do be careful when investing in the AIM share market. But no, look, you can see the price dropped to like 0.028, and then he released the news and it's recovered a bit. So yeah, I expect a continuation of the share price to increase, and yeah, inshallah at some point this year we'll also recover to when we were seeing the July highs here of 0.08, which is what, about 200% upside, 150 to 200% upside from the current levels we're at. And right now the companies are in a much better position, fully funded for the next 12 months, multiple new projects, selling off a project in Australia a year to get more capital. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace.